Hello everyone. Today I am here to present my first topic, which is a choose from the ninth chapter science book. My topic name is the introduction about the matter and its physical nature and characteristic of matter. Firstly, I will discuss about the matter. What is the matter, nature of matter, and after that I will discuss physical nature of matter. And in last, I will discuss characteristic of matter. Uh, First, can I ask one question? My first question is, student, can anyone tell me what is the different things you see in the classroom? I hope you will give me answer like, ma'am, I will see many things like chalk, duster, water, tables, etc. Okay. Uh, Teacher ask any another definition of things. Student tell ma'am these things cover some space and these things have some mass. Teacher says yes. Those things which cover some space and they have mass, that is called matter. Let me discuss proper definition and some example of matter. First, I will discuss about the matter. What is matter? Matter is made up of materials. Second, matter refers to anything which occupies space and has some mass. Third, all objects which we touched, they are ultimately composed of atoms. Atom is a basic unit of matter. Fourth one is all matter is made up of small substance, which we called elements, which have specific chemical and physical properties. Simply we can say matter is everything around you. This is a matter. Matter is a three state: solid, liquid and gas. First pick is solid, second is the liquid, and third one is the gas. Here I am discuss about the five basic elements of matter. Earlier, Indian philosopher classified matter in the form of five basic elements. These elements we call Panch Tattva. First air, second earth, third fire, fourth sky, fifth one is the water. Panch Tattva. It is a five basic element of any matter which is consist in every matter. Here is a picture of fire, earth, air, water, sky. This is a very familiar to us. And next is the physical nature of matter. Physical property is that property which is a measurable, whose value describe a state of physical system, in which main line is the whose value describe a state of physical system. First one is matter is made up of particles. After the experiment, philosophers said the matter is made of small particles. I means in simply we can say all matter is made or composed of small particles. These particles are called atoms and molecules. I was earlier discussed atoms is the basic unit of any matter. And here matter is made up of small particles. Here all matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms, which cannot be seen using normal visible light. Here we use microscopes. Atoms can exist by themselves or be put together to form molecules. Solid external and internal structure. Here is a solid external and internal structure of solid. this is a small particles of solid. Second one is how small are these particles of matter? Particles of matter are very small in size. They have space between them. Particles of matter move constantly. They are attracted towards each other. They have a diameter between approximately 1 to 100 nanometers. The particles of matter are very small. They are small beyond our imagination. And in last, I will discuss about the characteristic of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. The particles of sugar, salt, Dettol or potassium permanganate got evenly distributed in water. Similarly, when we make tea, coffee or lemon tea, particles of one type of matter get into the space between particles of the other. This shows that there is enough space between particles of matter. Here we can see some small spaces between the atoms, like in liquid, in gas. In liquid very small spaces present, but in gas very large spaces between the atoms. Second one is the particle of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving, that is called kinetic energy. When any matter or any atom or any molecules is under any moment, that time we call this is under the kinetic energy. Or when we stay in at one place, that time we called at potential energy. As the temperature rises, particles move faster. So we can say that with the increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of particles is also increases. Here we can see the particles of in this picture move towards or backward from each other. Particles of matter are continuously moving here and there. The random movement of microscopic particles called Brownian motion. In this picture, the atom and the molecules is under the Brownian motion. Are as highly compressible as gases. Positive charge repel means same charge repel. That I was discussed in last time, that positive charge repel means same charge is always repel each other, but positive and negative charge is attract means opposite charges of always attract each other. Attraction between opposite charge. Here one charge is positive, one charge is negative. Both charges are attract with each other, means opposite charges is always attract. Thank you.